Nice to meet you. How do you pronounce your name?
My first name is Muhammad, and the last name
Um,
is Farooq. It's called Farooq.
Farouk.
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
Farooq
Very
means a
cool.
person who distinguishes what is right and wrong, between right
Oh,
and wrong. Yes.
oh, I love that different cultural names have
Yes.
different meanings.
Yep.
So cool. Does Muhammad mean anything?
Muhammad means yes, appreciable.
Appreciate people?
Appreciable.
Ah, okay, very cool.
Yes.
And Mohammed, what are you looking for today? Are you looking for a conversation or
Yeah,
some
just a
vocabulary?
conversation.
All right, sounds good. So tell me, Mohammed, where are you from
I'm from
and
New Delhi, India.
what's it like out there? What's the
It's
culture
it's it's
like?
it's
What the
raining
people
right
like?
now, and the population of Delhi is more than 3 crores, and
Wow.
it's a very nice place. This is a capital of India. All people are
Oh, very
mixed.
nice.
You will find all the different types of people, different nations, different culture, different tradition. You're gonna find all the people live together here.
Wow. Is there a lot of like Western foreigners living
Yes.
there?
Yep.
Oh, like Americans, like British?
All the people live here because there's all the countries' embassy, are situated in New
Mhm.
Delhi. This is also IT hub, information technologies. Most of the foreign country invest, and they establish their own centers in New Delhi. So Delhi is all about, this is a best place to live, and this is a tourist place also. Many tourists come in New Delhi, visit all the places, like and the Taj Mahal, Agra fort was also just, it's a little bit distance from here, 100 kilometers, you can say, 80 miles from here.
Mhm.
Yes.
Wow, very cool. See, I've never been to New Delhi. I've never been to India or
Hmm.
anywhere over there at all yet. So one day I will. I absolutely love Indian food. So one day
Yes.
I have to go.
Do you have any friends in India, or any Indian friends?
I I have no friends currently in India, but I
Hmm.
have friends from India who are live in California.
Okay.
Um, Yeah, I have one friend, she's like really involved in Bollywood
Hmm.
in California. So she actually performs like Bollywood dances for like weddings and
Yes.
stuff.
Yep.
She does that where I back home.
Okay.
So it's really cool.
So you're from Los Angeles, California.
Yes, I'm from Los Angeles, California, but recently before I moved to I'm in Thailand right now. Before I moved to Thailand, I was
Hmm.
living in Newport Beach, California.
Okay. So right now you are in Thailand, right? And
Yes.
you're a teacher.
Yes, I'm a teacher.
Okay.
So I was teaching out here at a Thai school, but the
Hmm.
company was not so good, so I'm just going to be full-time Cambly.
Very good for you. So how do you
Yeah,
find
so
Cambly? You meet with the different nation people. What experience do you get from Cambly?
I love it actually. I love it a lot because for me, when I was younger, I was able to keep up with the kids and be
Hmm.
with kindergarten and elementary. But as I get older, I'm losing my energy, so I feel more comfortable with adults because adults are easy
Easy to
to
handle.
talk to, easy to handle.
Yes.
Yes. I still love the kids,
Hmm.
but I think working every day with kids is very draining.
Yes.
But I did my fair share when I was young. I did all teaching elementary and kindergarten, so
Hmm.
I did my part.
Okay. So the kids, they take out all your energy, right?
Oh my goodness. It's rewarding,
Hmm.
but it's so much. You have to make sure they don't kill themselves every day.
Yes.
For no apparent reason. They're not trying to kill themselves, but they do everything possible to accidentally die on accident. And
Okay.
so you have to watch out for that.
Hmm.
You have to watch out for them just saying and doing crazy things or not controlling their bodies, accidentally
Yes.
hitting somebody. It's so much to look out for. And I think I will be ready again when I have kids, but not right now.
Okay.
What about you? What do you do? Are you in IT?
I'm a businessman, and I have been doing a business for US and Canadian customers over the last 10 years. And I'm also a public
Wow.
speaker. And I've been doing this for a quite long period of time. And I joined Cambly because I want to improve my English as much as was possible. And I want to especially focus on pronunciation and accent. And so this is all I have been doing it. And I do business. I have a digital marketing agency, and
Nice.
my company is also registered in Georgia, USA.
Very
So
nice.
this is all I have.
Very cool. It's very good because I mean, I'm living in Thailand, and so making US dollar living in the countries where the US dollar is very high is very
Yes,
nice, right?
right.
So actually, you said you public speak. That's really, really cool. What do you speak mostly about?
I'm not such a great public speaker, but I'm going to be a part of Toastmaster very soon, because Toastmaster is the international platform where you can join them. You can hone your skills and perform on the stages. So
Wow.
right now I have joined a group of the members where I do practices, I talk, and I'm given a topic I have to speak on. So I'm just doing practices to be on the stage of international platforms. So this is all I have been doing it.
Oh, very
Yes.
nice. That's really good. You're ahead of me in that area. I am not, if I have to, absolutely have to, I will say something in public, but I do not like public speaking. I am so shy when it comes to that. I can speak in front of a class, no problem, but having to go on a stage, no, thank you.
Yeah, it happens with most of the people. They feel nervous, they feel hesitation to face the people, to face the crowd. But for me, it works very well. I can speak as long as I want, and I have a good thoughts. I have many opinions, many quotations, and inspiration stories, which I can attract the attention of the audience.
That's good.
So I have made myself as a habitual. I made myself a kind of facing these kind of people and crowd, and
Yeah.
and I have been trying to explore more myself, and especially I try to imitate native English speakers how they speak, and that's why I joined Cambly, so that I could understand very well how they speak.
Right.
However, I talk to my clients every day in USA, but that's not gonna help me more, because I have to talk with them with the same repetition of the speeches to sell my
Yes.
product and services. But on Cambly, I can talk anything as I want, face to face.
Yes, that's perfect for you
Yes.
because your accent so far is actually really good. I have another Indian student who is in college and he's working on the perfection of the American accent
Okay.
because I learned that it's actually very difficult because your guys' tongue movements and mouth movements are a lot more smaller
Yes.
and more controlled. And with American English, it's kind of a smiley language, right? So you're kind of always using a big mouth,
Yes. Yes.
always
Yes.
showing your teeth. So it's definitely there's some challenges with different languages to
Of
different to
course.
English. So,
Yes.
but your accent's very good, very good.
Thank you.
I can hear only subtle things,
Yeah.
but I think that it's good that you have confidence. You have a lot of confidence in your
Yeah.
speaking abilities.
Yes.
Number one thing you must have to be a speaker.
Okay.
So that's good. So when you do these public speaking, you do for like things you're passionate about, or
See, this is a practice session is going on right now. That means, we are open to face any kind of questions people ask. Like, we have so many groups. They ask any questions. Questions could be related to your life, your experiences, your personal experience on the journey of your business, or any question they can ask. So you can reply them with your thoughts, with presence of mind. Second, sometimes you are given a small and very hot topic as per the situation of the country. You have to elaborate on those. And sometimes you are given a situation, you have to solve those situations. These are the practices for a public speaking. And we do practice so that we can reach to the position where we can speak anything next to the public and audience, and we can, you know, become confident. And yes,
Yeah, and you can also gain knowledge in the process. A good
yes,
debate is always a good thing. Yeah. I think sometimes some people can be a little bit closed-minded to debates, but when you actually listen to both sides, you can see so many different points of view and have stronger comebacks, stronger, rebuttals and
yeah.
things
Public
like that.
speaking gives you confidence, the level of confidence you need, and you can face any problems in your life because the confidence you have gained from public speaking, that's going to help you forever in your life future to face any kind of problems. And
Yes.
you understand that how you gonna talk with the people, how you gonna convince people with your speeches. Maybe some time comes when you can help somebody else to change their life with your thoughts and with your speeches,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, and maybe it's not always about convincing. Maybe it's just about presenting some facts
Yes,
and letting that do the work. So I think that's like a really sometimes you see somebody who's not the best at debates because they're just forcing something on somebody. And I
yeah,
think the best debater is one that just simply sets the facts, presents the facts, and
yes,
gives their opinions, and that's when people are like, oh, you know what? He might be right. Like, okay, this person is on to something.
yes,
Yeah. So I think from what it sounds like, you're probably a really good public speaker.
yes, I am.
And I love it. I love it. You gotta be that. You gotta be that.
Yes, I love this. This is my
Great.
passion. And if you compare my past and present time, I was nothing before 10 years. Even I had no skills of speaking English. It was all about second language. And it took me time to understand how to speak, how to pronounce the words, how to put the, syllables or stresses on the words in order to make your speech more effective and efficient. So
Yeah.
if you compare 10 years ago, I was nothing. I knew nothing about speaking. Now, since I have to sacrifice myself, sacrifice my time, and being committed to it, being honest to it, practicing and learning and speaking and listening, all are combined, and now I am a product. So I mixed
Yeah.
everything, and I became a yeah.
That
So
is awesome.
Delicia, we
I
are
love
running out of
it.
time, and I just
Ah,
need a feedback from you because I'm very honest for my improving English. So just tell me my speaking.
okay, so your English speaking is very good. Your vocabulary is very wide. The only thing is that I would just say to perfect certain pronunciations. You hear a little bit of your accent at certain words, like when you say it sometimes. But if we have another lesson, I will go into deeper because it's gonna shut off. So
Thank you so much. You have a good one. Bye.